Hi everyone, I hope you all safe and healthy with your family and friends. In this video, we are going to learn about 11th Standard Accountancy, Chapter 9, Rectification of Errors, Illustration Sum number 5. The following errors were detected before preparation of the trial balance. Rectify them. Listen the heading carefully. What they ask: detected. When you see the word detected in from the given heading, you have to give the answer for statement format. So we have to give the answer in the statement form. Okay, let's see the transaction. First transaction is sum of rupees 5,000 written off as a depreciation of building has not been posted to depreciation account. What this transaction tells us: on depreciation account was not posted. Okay, so what is the journal entry for depreciation account? Depreciation account data. Depreciation account always will be debited. So depreciation account data 5,000 rupees to cash account 5,000 rupees. This is the journal entry for the depreciation account. But what they ask, we have to give the answer in statement form. Okay. So in statement form, depreciation account should be debited with 5,000. Listen the journal entry. Depreciation account should be debited with 5,000. We written it in the statement form. We given here in the statement form. Depreciation account should be debited with rupees 5,000. Let's see the next transaction. Payment of wages rupees 2,000 to Venkat was posted twice to wages account. What this transaction tells us: payment of wages 2,000 rupees. What is the journal entry? When you paid wages to your worker, what is the journal entry? Wages account data to cash account, right? Cash goes out, so cash account decreases. Whenever cash account decreases, you credited the cash account in the name of wages. So wages account data 2,000 to cash account 2,000. Okay, this is the correct journal entry for the payment of wages. Okay, but what this transaction tells us: it to Venkat was posted twice to wages account. So posted twice. So again Venkat entered wages account twice. Okay, first time is the correct journal entry and he posted twice. So again he entered wages account data 2,000 rupees to cash account 2,000 rupees. So where is the error? Twice. Second time is the error. First time entry is the correct journal entry, entered correctly. First one is correct and the second one twice. This is the error, which means it is overcast, more excess. Okay, so what we have to do? How do we rectify this transaction? We have to write opposite journal entry. What is the correct journal entry for payment of wages? Wages account data 2,000 rupees to cash account. So he posted twice. How do we rectify it? We have, whenever you see cast, this is the overcast. Okay, so overcast, more excess means we have to, when we rectify the journal entry, you have to use opposite journal entry method. Okay, so cash account data 2,000 rupees to wages account 2,000 rupees. We have to write the opposite journal entry. Where is wages account? Wages account is on debit side. We have to credit it. Wages account to wages account 2,000. We credited the wages account. Where is cash account? Cash account is on credit side. We have to debit it. To rectify the journal, we have to debit it. Okay, so cash account data 2,000. But what they asked? They asked the answer in statement form. Okay, so wages account, this is the answer. Wages account should be credited with rupees 2,000. Where is wages? Wages is on credit side. So wages account should be credited with rupees 2,000. Okay. The next transaction, an amount of rupees 250 for a credit sales of goods to Nila, although correctly entered in the sales book. also been posted as 200. So listen carefully what this transaction tells us. First off, we have listen. Let's take first of. Okay, what is first of transaction is given. Sold goods on credit to Nila, rupees 250. What is the journal entry? Nila account data to sales account. Sales, whenever you generate sales in your company, your revenue will be increased. So whenever revenue increases, you credited the revenue account, you credited the sales account. Okay, how do you make sales? You made sales on credit sales. Okay, so you have to enter the name of the person on debit side. Okay, so listen, in this transaction, amount of 250 for credit sales of goods to Nila. So we entered sales book Nila account data 252 sales account. This is the credit sales. We entered sales book correctly. Okay, we entered it on sales book is correctly. What is the error? Where is the error? Although correctly entered in the sales book, we correctly entered in the sales book. Okay, you made credit sales to Nila and you also entered it in the sales book correctly. Nila account data 252 sales account. This is the correct entry. Okay, then has been posted as 200, but instead of 250 you entered 200. So listen, Nila account you have to enter what amount? 250 rupees. Instead of 250 you posted 200. So which means where is the error? The amount is the error. Okay, so instead of 250 you entered 200, which means undercast. Okay, the error is undercast. So you have to subtract 250 from the 200. You have to enter the difference value only in the correct rectified journal entry. So the difference amount is 50. So the rectified journal entry is Nila account data 50 rupees to sales account 50 rupees. Okay, because the amount is the error. Instead of 250 you entered 200. So amount is the error. Now we rectified it. Okay, so what is the statement? This is the answer. Nila account should be debited with 250. Nila account should be debited with 50. Do you understand? Do you have any doubt? Please comment it on the comment box. Thank you. Take care.